All right, check it out. We got something a little fun today. I am excited. I am also excited that I actually put this together. So this is not a menu item. McDonald's just brought back the snack wraps, and I reviewed the ranch and I reviewed the spicy chicken snack wrap. I either did that earlier today or I did that yesterday, depending on when this video is coming out. But I decided, since now they have tortillas, I've always wondered, and now I can do it, a Big Mac snack wrap. That rhymes, sort of. So it's in this bag right here. I ordered a Big Mac. I ordered the ranch version of the snack wrap, but I omitted the ranch, and then I got mac sauce, and then I cut up the 2 patties from the Big Mac, slid everything off, the pickles, the onions, the mac sauce, what else? The lettuce, and I folded it up, and we have the Big Mac snack wrap. Let's check it out. Cue the intro. What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. This is where I try something and tell you if you shall like it or not. I can be very persuasive. Let's go. So we got the receipt. The burger, I think, was $4.99. Snack wrap is $2.99. It was like just under $8 for this Big Mac snack wrap. So here's the wrapper right here. Check it out. Now let me unwrap this easy. Be very gentle. Got a lot of lettuce. There's a lot going on. I did this inside the restaurant to make it look as nice as I could. And I know you've already seen the thumbnail. So there it is, kind of unfolding a little bit. I have a newfound respect for the workers who have to do this on the fly, but check out this. I mean, I took my time. I didn't have, 17 orders to do, but there is the Big Mac snack wrap. Let's take a bite. All right, I just filmed the thumbnail, even though I know you guys already saw the thumbnail. So here it is, one more look up close and personal. Everything on the Big Mac in a wrap. Now all of this fits the tortilla perfectly. It goes all the way to the end right here, where, spoiler alert, if you missed my snack wrap reviews, those crispy strips, there's so much extra tortilla, it is what it is. But we're not talking about those. We're talking about this. Wish me luck. I mean, again, not a menu item, but you can do it. I would not dare ask them to do it. Never ask them to do it, especially when they're just learning how to make the chicken version. Wow. Let me take another bite and I'll give you a look. Check it out. Stop it. The cheese. I left the shredded cheese from the ranch snack wrap in here just for some extra cheese. Then you're getting the slices of cheese from the Big Mac. You can see them right there. Look at that. I think this is what they need to be doing in the boardroom. It says we're bringing back the snack wraps. I was talking to Kathy, 2 Cent Chick Fame, and she thought there was a honey mustard back in the day with the snack wraps, but they just launched the ranch and the spicy. And again, if you missed my 2 videos on those that I did either earlier today or yesterday, definitely check them out, and they will be linked at the end of this video. But I think she said she remembers a honey mustard. I don't really know, because I mentioned in those 2 videos I did not eat the snack wraps like that. This should be on the menu. If those are $2.99, make this $3.49 out the door. But I get it, they'd have to slice the burger. It's a lot more preparation. But if you can get this done the Big Mac snack wrap. Hit up your McDonald's. Hit me up. Hit me up. Stop it. All right, so listen. This works. 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions on a tortilla. That's the new song. Big Mac snack wrap. It works. I mean, I love the Big Mac. I've said it many times on this channel. To me, it's the OG fast food burger, because that's what I grew up on. We gravitated to McDonald's the most. The second was Wendy's. We didn't go to Burger King too often, and we very rarely, I don't think ever as a family, went to Taco Bell. So it is what it is. And there are hardly any of these spots that are open now open back then. But this Big Mac snack wrap, yes, please. I see how I asked so nicely. Yes, please. McDonald's, again, send me a message, hit me up, send me an email, hit me up on Instagram, do something. I've been putting these little mashups together for 11 years. They usually hit. This one's hitting. I knew this was going to hit. I knew this was going to be good, and I'm so happy I took the time and I was able to give it a try. And like I said, it took a little bit to kind of put it all together, but I am glad I did. One more bite, we'll give it a rating, send you on your way, and you can head over to McDonald's. Tell them the endorsement sent you. You want a Big Mac snack wrap. Don't tell them that. They won't want to do it, and it won't look like this. They will not. You'll be lucky if they don't throw it at you. A little frisbee toss. You'll have this tortilla right in your face. All right, so listen, 1 to 100, the Big Mac snack wrap, and I just came from B-Dubs getting the $9.99 all-you-can-eat appetizers. I didn't film it. I just went and enjoyed it. It was pretty good. I have some thoughts on that, but we'll leave that for another time. 1 to 100, the Big Mac snack wrap, a 90. Not for $7.79, whatever I paid, but if they can put this on the menu at, like I said, $3.49, $3.99, something like that, $1 less than the burger, I am on board. So there you go, another review in the books. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, please do not forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is social media, getting the word of my channel out to the masses. In closing,